welcome back to Chat with Tiana. I hope everyone is doing okay. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing something that I just got from Sephora. It's a beauty item that I've wanted to get for a while but been so busy. So today I popped into Sephora and I got it, and I'm going to be using it and seeing how it actually looks and feels like in this video. So if this is something you would like to see, please keep watching. And if this is your first time on this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. So welcome. So let's see how they actually look. So I'm going to be trying this first one, and this is the Fenty Beauty. What's the name again, Gary? This is Fenty Glow Fantasy. So my lips are plain, there's nothing on my lips, so let's see. Yeah, it's pretty thick. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's pretty thick. I love this gloss, my goodness. It smells really good. It smells really good, and it's really thick. So this is the, what's it called? The Fenty Glow Fantasy. Love it. I think this is gonna be my favorite one. Let's see, let's try the others. Okay, I'm gonna try the next one, and this one is the Champ Stamp Glow Fantasy. Yeah, so let's try this one and see what it looks like. They're really thick. Smells so good. Smells so good. Smells so good. Smells so good, guys. I love how thick that the glosses are. They're thick. I love it. I love this one as well. So this one is the Champ Stamp Fantasy. Okay, 2 down. So I'm gonna try the next one. Take this one off. There's one thing I can't do without my purses: gloss. I would like my lips to be glossy. So the next one I'm trying is this one, and this is the Hot Chocolate Fantasy. Hot Chocolate Fantasy Fenty Beauty. So let's see what this one looks like. Guys, I love the smell of it, the fragrance on the lip gloss. Amazing. Smells so good. But you can't even tell that there's color in this gloss. It's a bit kind of chocolatey, but when I put it on my lips, it looks plain, and the fragrance in the gloss is beautiful. It smells so good. You're gonna be smelling so good. I love it. So let me try the last one. Oh, let me take this one off first. This is the kind of gloss that I like. It's thick and smells good. I don't think I'll be using lipstick with this. I'll just be using them on their own. Okay, so the last one I'm going to be trying is this one. This is like the biggest one of them all. The others come in this size, and only this one comes in this size. So let's see. And this one is the Candy Milk Fenty Beauty Candy Milk. Yeah. So let's see. I love a good gloss that smells like candy. And this one is a bit. This one is really pigmented. This one looks a bit. This one makes my lip plump. I think I'll be using this one with a liner or something, because actually makes my lip look bigger. Smells good though. Looks nice too. Actually it looks nice. I love it. But I think that my favorite one is this one, which is the Fenty Glow Fantasy. I think I really love this one, and I'm going to be using this one a lot. So tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite, okay? It's really cool. Love them. So thank you guys for watching. I hope everybody's really doing okay. Oh, my hair is nice. I actually did this hair myself at home, because going to the salon in the Middle East is headache. One is expensive, and two, it's just hectic, man. So most of us actually either wear wigs or DIY our hair ourselves. So yeah, I actually made this myself. Ponytail, just put my hair in a bun and then attach this. That could look cool. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Do let me know in the comment section which of the glosses was your favorite, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.